Hello friends, welcome to OTICA Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of OTICA made stethoscope. The OTICA is providing a various types of stethoscope. Let us start with the model number OST-12. So this stethoscope is for the basic student purpose. For the beginners, it comes with the proper packaging, and company has given both size of accessories, the two diaphragms, a spare earpieces, as well as the warranty card and the main stethoscope unit. So this stethoscope is fantastic. This comes with the all black type. You can see the frame is also black and the chest piece is also black. It comes with the two different types of chest piece. One is for adult and one is for pediatric. You can rotate it from this as a regular stethoscope, as well as company has given the identity mark, so you can put out your name over here so that you can see the stethoscope. This is a ultra lightweight aluminum neck diaphragm. It have a long longevity and it's of good quality. Company has also given the name on the frame over here for the genuinity. This is the stethoscope model, we can say ST12, and the frame is quite sturdy. You can see we have stretched it up to its maximum level and it is withstanding its position. So this is the sturdy stethoscope, comes with a 1-year warranty and very affordable price. Thank you for watching.